Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. My name is Joe and I am your host for today. So I want to talk about a brand. We're going to focus on just one. This is a new discovery that I made while I was in Turkey, and I have to say this was this brand made quite an impact on me. I was very, very impressed by the presentation, the story, and also I got a chance to meet with the owner of the brand, and the brand that I'm referring to is Bisous. Bisous. I think it means French for my lips or my kiss. And I'm going to open this right now because I want to show you why this was such an impressive brand. And I'll tell you in a second. Look at that. Little spoiler alert, I got samples here too. I met with the owner of this brand. She's an entrepreneur. She's actually a lawyer too. And I have two perfumes I want to show you. They're both in their own bags. And I met with the owner. She's really a wonderful person. And I'll include a link to the website and also a link to her Instagram if you're interested in following maybe Sue as well. But so let me tell you a little story, and then we'll get right into this. So I was with my wife, of course, walking in Nishantishé on the main strip, and we stopped into a department store, and it was one that just had variety of clothing brands that I've never heard of. And I asked them, I said, hey, do you guys have perfumes in here? And they said, yes, we do. And I looked around and I saw what they had. And this is what stopped me in my tracks. And take a look at this presentation right here. Looks like a book. And I had to ask them, I was like, wow, what is this all about? I've never seen this before. I tried all four of them. There's actually going to be 6 perfumes, but I tried all of them. I'm going to pull them out of the plastic wrap so they'll save us some time. Pardon the noise. Pardon the noise. Again, I'm not going to edit any of this video. I'm just gonna wing it and go all the way, and it's going to be up on YouTube. So I smelled all 4 of them. I actually have all 4 here. Here's the other 2 sample wise. And I was extremely already impressed. But then I saw the packaging for it. And they look like books. They look like books. And the reason why is because each of these perfumes have a story. I don't know if you know this, but each of these were also handmade and hand woven. So there's a lot of handwork that goes into making these covers, these books. And inside of every book, it says, let your seduction story begin. Let your seduction story begin. And that's the point of this perfume brand for Bisous. Like, each of these perfumes have a story, and you're basically telling the story of your seduction through perfume. And I love how all of these perfumes have different artwork and very, very neat how the covers are very different. Here's the one right here called, for example, Tobacco Flirting with Vanilla. Talk smoky to me. Love that. Look at the colors. The gold and the blue and the florals, the vanilla that's in there, the orchid, there's a little bit of, right from the cover, you get an idea of what's going to happen in here. Talk smoky to me, she said, his tobacco lips and her vanilla soul blending into each other. Again, same thing, your seduction, let your seduction story begin. So these 2 specifically were my 2 favorites, although all 4 are fabulous. But I love that. So look, even the T in here is hand stitched. And by the way, both of these start with the word T. The letter T. Touch me with your power. Caress me with your mind. Surrendered to an old spell, I seek no escape. But interestingly, both start with a T. So let's have a look at one of them right here. This is called Amberique. Amberique. And of course, the cover is very similar, same sort of pinkish cover. And I'm going to go ahead and smell this as well, just to be reminded of it. This is a Turkish brand, by the way, but I have to say it's a really fabulous concept. Oh God, I love this. Yeah, this is a must. This is sort of a semi-sweet floral amber. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful perfume. These are all extrait de parfum as well. All of these are extrait. They do not smell, and that's one of the things that I want, and I don't want to bring up anything that's negative, but a lot of Turkish brands sometimes can get a bad rap because people get accused of like saying, hey, they smell like somebody else's perfume. They don't smell original. Not the case with this. Not the case. Every single one of these are unique in their own way. They're very seductive and very good smelling, and they are unique. They're different. Yes, have you smelled certain notes that very, chords that can sometimes conjure up a memory that's like, I kind of remember the opening of this being similar to that. Of course, there's going to be that. Of course, there's going to be that. In every perfume, there's going to be that. But these are unique and seductive in their own way. This is another really good one. This one's called One Night Only. It's the green one. This is a very powerful, spicy, woody. Oh, you could just see that in this. Oh, spicy, woody. Every single one of these just tells their own story. Every single one just tells their own story. Let's do the tobacco flirting with vanilla. I know many people are going to be instantly thinking to themselves, is this going to be like tobacco vanille? I'm here to tell you, spoiler alert, nothing like it. Nothing like it. But look at the beautiful bottle. Look at this beautiful bottle. This is a matte finish. It's non-slip as well, so it doesn't feel slippery. It's almost like rubberized, but not quite. But it's a matte finish. Again, the same artwork that's on the front here. We got the heavy-duty cap as well, which is Zamac, which has the Bisous stamped right in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and be reminded of this. I found this also at I was at the Topkapi Palace, and in their gift shop, they sell them at the Topkapi Palace gift shop. God, this is so intoxicating and so good. This is seriously like one of my favorite tobacco and vanilla perfumes I've smelled in a long time. And I'm not just saying that. Wow. So intoxicating. It's so good. It's so good. So I can't wait for y'all to experience this. Like I said, this is a new house. It just got launched this year. She's fantastic. Just fantastic job on these. And of course, these are going to be worth keeping. After all, this is like a book. So I want to keep these on my shelf, keep them like a book, and present them that way as well. Because like every perfume, every perfume has a story. This one is called Oud Hypnotic. And this one is hard to find. In fact, if you go to their website right now, you're not going to see it on the website because they're sold out of this. So I'm very, very lucky to have this. Very lucky to have this. They are completely sold out of this. They're working on making more. Here, black matte bottle with the brown label. Same theme as the front. And you and I both know how much I love oud. You already know how much I love oud. But there is so much more than just oud in this. Oh my God. This is so good. Again, an intoxicating, alluring, sexy. I feel like there's rose in this too. Spicy, rose, sexy oud. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Folks, you guys are going to be in for a treat. This is just a teaser of this house because, I mean, it's available in Turkey now. If you go there, go get this. If you find it, smell it, take it with you. It is so, so good. But I'm hoping I can get this house in the United States. This is one of those houses that I need this thing to spread like wildfire because it is so, so good. And I have a good feeling that you're all going to like this a lot. And like I said, there's 4 perfumes so far. Only 3 on their website because this one right here is very hard to get. But they're going to put more up there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this. If you have questions about the house, leave them in the comments below. And I will make sure to attend to those shortly. So that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you in the next. Take care.